first warning impact days ahead. I guess the biggest change is that we've added Friday. Friday is now a first warning impact day, Saturday and Sunday. Is it going to storm all weekend? Certainly not, but there will be some waves of heavy thunderstorms. A few severe storms are possible, with the main hazards being some locally strong, perhaps damaging wind gusts and some frequent and dangerous lightning too, and some very heavy rain expected as well. I want to show you the futurecast, and we're still looking at pretty low resolution data as we're just not close enough just yet. But the way we think this will play out is later in the afternoon and in through Friday evening, we will likely have some thunderstorms that move in from the north and west. I don't necessarily think it will be this widespread. It could be a broken line, or it could be a larger and more widespread complex of thunderstorms, which could contain a few severe storms, with wind being the main hazard. And then those move on heading into Friday night. And then on Saturday, it looks like we'll get another wave, likely during the afternoon and evening hours. So kind of a very similar setup. Could be a complex of thunderstorms that moves in from the west or northwest. And then we'll deal with that on Saturday. And then we could deal with another wave on Sunday. And this mainly looks like it could occur along and south of I-20. At least that's where models are lining it up right now. But to talk about exact placement for Sunday afternoon and evening is it's not really going to be that accurate. So we'll continue to watch those trends. But we are pretty certain that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday there will be some periods of stormy weather mixed in with some dry hours too, especially during the morning hours. Very humid leading up to that. It is going to get muggier. So today and tomorrow, hit or miss thunderstorms. Here's a look at our severe weather outlook map for Friday. And remember, our first warning impact day just really means you need to be paying attention to the weather, especially if you have some outdoor activity plans, or you're going to be out on the lake or some of the area rivers this weekend with some of those heavy storms. But you can see north of I-20, we've got a level 2 out of 5 risk for a few severe storms, and more of the same too on Saturday as well. You can see much of the area under a slight risk for some of those widely scattered severe storms. Again, this will continue into Sunday. Coverage does look to decrease a little by Monday, Tuesday. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Steph.